Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to hide admin menu items for different users in your WordPress website. Here you can go and install a free plugin. Click on Add Plugin. Search for Hide Admin Menu. So this one is the plugin and it is very important. So if you give access to someone who is working on your website, then you can use this plugin. Click here, hide menu. So first of all, let's see how many users are available in this website. Now only one user is available and role is administrator. So let's see on this page: administrator, editor, author, contributor and subscriber. So these are the default roles. Now let's see if I want to hide this one: blog posts. So for the administrator, as this one is the current user and this is the option, then click on update. And now I want to check it for all. And let me hide all of the items under that. Then click on update. Now here you can see blog post item is hidden.